with Chandrakanta, here to introduce the structure of this album and the expectations. Solving linear equations in topic 16 on pages 1 through 6. The unit outlines the procedures required for accuracy. Louisiana Standard A-One-Point-REI-Three requires students to solve linear equations through exact inverse operations, maintain equality at every step, and verify solutions by substitution. This track states what each remaining track will develop. Reading the structure of an equation, identifying the operations attached to the variable, applying the correct inverse actions, checking the solution, and maintaining consistency throughout the process. The syllabus provides the sequence. Constants are removed first, coefficient second, and verification completes the solve. Pages 1 through 6. Expectations, procedures, accuracy, verification. These pages define the work. Pages 1 through 6. Solving begins with struck and ends with confirmation. The syllabus identifies the skills built across the album. Students will learn to reverse addition with subtraction, reverse subtraction with addition, reverse multiplication with division, and reverse division with multiplication. Multi-step equations and require these operations in the correct order. If the equation contains a constant connected to the variable, that constant is removed before addressing a coefficient. Every track reinforces the requirement that both sides of the equation must receive the same operation. Louisiana Standard mandates that students justify each move. The syllabus makes clear that no rounding or estimation is used unless the problem specifically instructs it. Each equation must be solved with exact values so that verification produces identical results on both sides. Pages 1 through 6. Expectations, procedures, accuracy, verification. These pages define the work. Pages 1 through 6. Solving begins with struck and ends with confirmation. Pages 1 through 6. Expectations, procedures, accuracy, verification. These pages define the work. Pages 1 through 6. Solving begins with struck and ends with confirmation. Pages 1 through 6 also identify the types of equations students will encounter. One-step equations, two-step equations, equations with the fractional coefficients, equations with decimal values, and equations drawn from real number. Complex text type is treated with